In this video, I'm going to show you how you can translate your WordPress website or WordPress blogs into multi-languages blog. If you see here, this is the English language blog, and if you see, this is the Spanish language blog, which is translation done by AI without wasting your time. Within just a few clicks, you can translate your whole website or the blogs into the multi-languages blogs. So how you can do that professionally, step-by-step guide is provided into this video. So please follow the step. To translate our pages or the website into the multi-language, we need to install a plugin. So installing a plugin, you just need to click on plugins and click on add new. And here in the plugin search box, you just need to search a plugin. Plugin name is Polylang. You need to install this Polylang plugin. If your website is Elementor based and you need to convert your Elementor based pages, you also need to install collect Polylang language for Elementor as well. So for now, I'm going to activate the Polylang. I have already connected the Polylang for Elementor. So here the plugin has been installed. After installing the plugin, you will see here a tab for the languages, and here is the option for setup. To set up the plugin, you just need to click on setup, and here you can see the language tab. So here I wanna select a language, for example English, as the default language for our website. For example, my website default language is English. If your website default language is other, you can also add other language. So I click on add language, and here I will select the other languages. For example, I want to add the Spanish language into our website, so I will select the Spanish here. So here I select the Spanish language and add a language. Here I as well select the Urdu language for my, because the Urdu is my favorite language. So here I'll add the language. So one by one you can add the languages that you want to add into your website. For now, I'm going to add the 2 or more languages because the English is my default language, and Spanish and Urdu I'm going to add for the translation. So I click on continue, and here allow Polylang to translate media. You can also select this, as well as if you want to translate your media, for example images or videos, etc. So for now I'm going to disallow because I don't want to waste your time. I just click on continue, and here content without language, as I told you in the earlier, the default language for our website, I select the English and click on continue. And here you can see the English is set to our default language, and click on continue. Now your website is ready to translation, and you just need to click on return dashboard, and here you can see the dashboard. Now we're gonna translate our pages or the posts into multi languages. For example, this is the one of my page that I want to translate into other languages. So how we can do that? Simply, you can just navigate to editor, or you can also go into the posts and click on all posts. Any post that you want to translate, you can just click on the plus icon. For example, if you want to translate into Spanish, you can click on this plus icon, and if you want to translate into Urdu, you can also click on this plus icon. So as well as you can visit your post that you want to translate and click on edit post. Here in the post editor, whatever editor you are using, for now I'm going to using the block editor for default by WordPress. And here in the right sidebar, if you scroll down, you will see here the buttons for the translation. So here I'm going to translate into the Spanish. For now I just click on add translation here. Now this is an empty, so don't worry, it has been fetched the featured image for the this post. And now what I'm going to do, we're gonna add the translation text for this post. So how we can do that? This is very simple. We are going to use AI to translate our pages professionally. Don't waste your time by Google Translate. So here I go back and see the page. For example, this is our page, and I'll just copy the page URL of our post or the page and go into the ChatGPT, open a new chat and paste a prompt here. Keep the current style of the page and format and translate into your language. So here you can add your language. For example, I select Spanish. So you can select the other language, for example Urdu or anything. So I just selected the Spanish, for example, and hit enter. what it will do, it will keep the format and the style of the theme, and it will translate into the other language. So here is the translation. You can see the headings h2 h3 everything, and the table, you can see the table is the same, and everything that is used here professionally is being translated. You can see these are the FAQs, and if you see our page, you can see these are our FAQs, and this is the FAQs, and here everything is being translated professionally, you can see here. So I just copy all of these one by one and paste into our translation. So I just copy the heading here, just copy this heading, go back and paste here. Now I just click on this icon here and copy all the text from this post. I just copy all the way here. I just copy that and go back and paste here. Now you can see the translations, everything, the headings, subheadings, everything is being professionally translated and pasted. We don't need to format anything. You can see h through a3 and the paragraphs and so on. So here, if you see, here is the reference, which is the PK skills has been added. So you can also go back into the ChatGPT, and here, please, now I just say please remove the reference. For example, this is the reference that is being copied and this is not professional, so it will remove this reference and regenerate the clean text for us. Now the reference has been removed. I just copy the text again and paste into our post. I have pasted it again, and you can see the reference that was, for example, PK skills, has been removed. Now if you see here, the images are not being added because you see we need to translate the media manually. So this will not translate your media, so you need to add this manually. So here, if you go here into the post, this is the first image, which is the featured image, and after the first heading and the first two paragraphs there is a video. So I just click on share and copy the video, for example URL, and go back, and here I just go back, and here is the video. For example, I just hit enter, click on plus icon, and here I search for the video, for example, and here I insert the URL of the video. Now the video will be placed here. You can see this is the video. And now again, if you go down, and here after the tables, the second table, there is an image. So I just copy the image here, and here after that I just go down, and here, for example, there is an image. So I just hit enter, and here Control V, so this image will be pasted here. You can see this is automatically pasted, and go down and copy the URL of this. I just copy that, and you can see there is the video. After that, you can see, so here I will add this video. Here I just enter and click on plus icon and search for the video, and here is the video URL, and click on enter, and here it will add the video as this was added above. So one by one I will add all the images and the videos that are being used in this post. Now I have added all the images that are used here. You can see everything is added here. Now if you click on this image, and here is the alternate text. If you want to translate the alternate text, you can go back into the image, for example, and here I just right click on that and click on inspect, and here we're gonna copy the alt text for this. So here is the alt text. For example, this is the alt text. I just copy the alt text and translate it with the Google translation, and here I select the Spanish, for example, and copy the alt text, and here I just paste into the alt text. So here we're gonna translate the alt text as well of the images for the SEO better preferences. Now we're gonna preview the post, and you can see this is the professional translation of our post into the Spanish language. You can see the table has been added, the styles are not disturbed, and the images are placed professionally. So this is translation has been done with AI. So you can see, don't underestimate the power of AI. So here you can see, now the thing is the menu is missing here. So how you can manage that? So this is very simple. You just need to go back into WordPress dashboard, and here you can just click on appearance and click on menus. In the menu you can see this is our professional menu. So here if you want to add the language switcher, you can see I have already added, so I just remove for now for you. So here I just click on this languages and click on add new menu, and here if you click on drop down and here display languages, I just select the display flags instead of languages name and click on save menu. Now if you refresh the English post, for example, here is the English post. If I refresh, so the flag for the language translation will be available for this post because the translation is available. You can see this is the Spanish translation. So if you click on this Spanish, so the menu will be removed. You can see there is no menu. So here how you can add the menu. So here I go back and click on manage localization or locations. So here in the location, this is the primary language. So here is the Spanish language or Spanish language menu. I select the menu for the Spanish language. So please add a new menu by translation or the translating pages. This is the professional way. For now I'm going to add the English menu for showing you only that how you can add the menu. So here I will refresh the page. You can see the menu is added again here, and if you click on English, so it will go back into the English translation, and if you click on the Spanish language, so it will go back into the Spanish language page or the translation. So this is how you can translate your whole website into the multi languages, or convert your WordPress blog into multi-language blog without any payment or paying anything, professionally free of cost using AI. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.